This is a trigger warning. So, just to talk about being triggered, I'm here to pull the trigger, and that is within yourself. I may be too much sometimes for some people, an energy that doesn't match, and therefore, I've mentioned once before, I may cause some resistance when the frequency is not on point. But I am here to transform that and understand that I will trigger within you just by being me. I'm here to support and be loyal to my heart, which collectively everybody's too. Trigger warning. You may irritate the demons within somebody, and that's when they have the epiphany of, oh, either they choose to check themselves or take a step back. Those who react, I would say, take caution, respond. You don't like doing dishes? Then meditate while doing that. Listen to music. Self-reflect. Create your space. Trigger warning. Don't be envious of those who create the illusion that things are easy when they've worked so hard. Trigger warning. Words are spells. Be careful what you project and say and the intentions behind them. If you do not open your heart, you will never know how it is to give. If you think you're lacking love, and that lack mentality will slowly create harm and disease within your body. Open your heart. Trigger it, spark it. Do something that is kind for yourself. That's all I have to say.